Huh, yeah.
Oh, Rock, thank you so much.
I mean,
Oh, go ahead.
no, that's gummy worms. Like,
Oh, you eat
you
it.
eat it. Yeah, I don't know what.
Clarification. Let The Rock tell you in Chinese.
Uh-oh. Chinese?
Ding bong ding dong, he's Stone Cold Aye. He got a haircut.
Uh-oh. Yeah, Big Show is.
So that officially means, Big Show, that you are no longer a long-haired, 7 feet, 500-pound piece of monkey crap. No, you are not. You are a short-haired, 7 feet, 500-pound piece of steaming, stinking, grade A monkey crap. The Rock, Brahma Bull, great one, people's champ, and oh, to say the least, The Rock is something you're not, undisputed champion, so shut up, bitch.